Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Maybe you have seen the recent trend where YouTubers are making videos sharing exactly how much money YouTube has paid them on their most top viewed video. This is my video showing you exactly how much that YouTube has paid me for my top viewed video, which I'm a small YouTuber, so my very top viewed video has only been viewed a little over 150,000 times. Now I know that might sound like a lot if you've just gotten started, but if you check out some big YouTubers, their video views are in the millions. So this isn't going to be quite as exciting, but when I was watching the similar videos that other creators have filmed, I thought they were so fun, and maybe I'm just nosy, but I love seeing what people are making, especially with online businesses, since that is what I do. So I am going to go ahead and hop onto my computer and pull up my actual YouTube analytics so you guys can see exactly how much YouTube has paid me for my top viewed video. Okay, so here we are. This is in my actual YouTube studio, so my creator studio. You can see this up here, but I want to show you here. This is the video that we are speaking about. It's 50 frugal living hacks to save you thousands. And this video currently has 168,000 views. Now, this is by far my most viewed video. You can see here that it has 2 million minutes of watch time. That sounds crazy. And it has gained me over 3,000 subscribers from this particular video. And you can see that my estimated revenue for over 150,000 views is just over $1,000. Now, since we are over 150, and I did not check this amount once I hit 150,000 views, I would probably go out on a limb and say that this reached $1,000 in revenue, maybe close to the time that I hit 150,000 views. Now, I don't know that for sure, just kind of throwing it out there. So if you've watched any of these videos from other creators, there's a lot out there. Like I said, this is a trending topic right now. You will see numbers that are all over the place. And that's what I find so interesting about YouTube is it really depends on your CPM, which is how much you make per 1,000 views of your video, which varies wildly. It varies depending on your niche, depending on the advertisers. And because things vary so much, I realized that even as a YouTube creator, I really didn't have any clue what a video would make for 150,000 views. So this video, as I mentioned, earned so far just over $1,000, and it's still ranking pretty good in the YouTube search. However, the views have slowed way down over the past month, maybe month or two. In fact, my channel as a whole right now is slow. This is my first actual summer being on YouTube, so I'm not sure if YouTube views typically slow down in the summer or maybe it's just my channel. YouTube really has very high highs and some low lows. So if you look right up here, you can actually see that for the past 48 hours, I have had just under 2,000 views on my channel as a whole. This is not for this particular video. This is all of my videos combined. So that's really not very high. My ad revenue has been down the past month or so, and this explains why it's been down. And that's mostly because this video is definitely slowing down in views. You can see here that my audience retention for this video is only 12 minutes. And this is a 42 plus minute video. This video is so long. It's by far my longest video. In fact, I was going to break it up into two, or maybe even 3 parts. And when I sat down to film it, I wasn't thinking about breaking it up. So it just didn't really make sense. I would have pretty much just had to do these rough chops that I think would have come across really abrupt to the viewer. So I decided to just go for it and leave it all together in one video. I have a lot of comments on the video complaining about how long it is. So I assume that's definitely been a factor on the audience retention of this video, but you can see here that this does have fairly good reach on YouTube search. Since it was published, I've had over 1.5 million impressions, and that, if you don't know what an impression is, that does not mean that those are people watching your video. An impression means that your video has come up in somebody's feed, or that your video has been possibly suggested to somebody. So that means that has happened over 1.5 million times. And you can see here that my impressions click-through rate, that is a conversion rate of how many people that the video was shown to actually clicked through to watch your video. So that rate is 5.9%, which isn't too bad. I would love to get them up, but I will say this is one of my higher click-through rates. So I am actually pretty happy with that. I've heard before that anything over 4 to 5% is a pretty solid click-through rate, or CTR, you sometimes hear it referred to. Again, I'm not too sure how accurate that is. And that click-through rate has resulted in almost 169,000 views. And while I'm pretty happy with that, I would love to find a way to keep this video up at the top of search. You can see right here, 57% of these views came from Google search. So when you rank a video, not only does it just rank in YouTube, but because Google actually owns YouTube, your videos can also rank in Google. So I do believe that's what helped this video so much. You can see here that the majority of my traffic came from people that were searching for frugal living. And just to give you a little bit more information about me and my channel, I have only been on YouTube for slightly over a year. My year was the beginning of May. 2019 was a year I was on YouTube. At the time of filming this video, I have 7,556 subscribers and total channel views ever since I've had my channel of 391,521 views. Now, I did have my channel since March of 2012, but at that time, I didn't create any videos. I simply had some of our family home movies put up there as unlisted. I have since removed those videos from my channel. I'm not sure, since I've removed them, if it also subtracts the watch time that those couple of videos did have, but I do know that it was very little watch time. They were just a couple of 2-3 minute videos that I mostly put on YouTube to store. So my very first video did not come out on this channel until May of 2018. Just to show you, I'm a very small YouTuber at this time. I also did check my lifetime earnings from YouTube since I've started, and I have earned $2,384.31. And that would be from being monetized in December of 2018 until today. I'm filming this video on August 22nd, 2019. If you haven't already heard me mention this, YouTube is a lot of work. It's something that I do love doing. I love connecting with you guys. I love putting out this content, but it is a lot of work. So when I'm only making $200 on a monthly basis, it sometimes doesn't feel like adequate compensation for all of the work that you put in. But when I look at a video like this, that took me a couple hours to film and edit, upload, get the description, and all of the rest of the information you have to add when you are publishing a video. Seeing that this video has now made over $1,000 definitely shows that it can be worth it. So most of my videos have not technically paid off yet, but I would definitely call this one a win. I hope that someday I'll be able to come back with another similar video showing you how much I got paid on 1 million views. Wouldn't that be fun? Yay, there you have it. I have pulled back the curtain and given you all the details on my YouTube business and how much I make. Let me know down in the comments, is this more money than you expected or less money than you expected? I'd love to hear what your thoughts were. Let me know if you like this type of video from me, because if so, I can maybe try and film some type of similar videos like this in the near future. I appreciate you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.